So is this a good time to talk with you regarding a job opening?
Yes, sir.
Actually, now, yeah, versus I am hiring a senior design engineer for our Japanese client Yanmar Group. Are you aware of that organization?
Sir, I didn't get the name. Which organization?
Yanmar Group.
Myanmar.
Yeah.
No, sir. I don't think I have heard that name.
Actually, Yanmar is a Japanese MNC merged with Sonalika, and
Okay.
it is located in Punjab, Hoshiarpur, and it deals in like manufacturing tractor, diesel engines, production machines, and off-road vehicles,
Okay.
such as JCBs and agriculture kind of machines, vehicles, and equipment, such as harvesting machines and all those things. Right.
Okay, sir.
So this job is located in Punjab, Hoshiarpur. So first of all, is it okay to you?
Okay. Yes, sir. It would be okay for me, sir. No problem.
Okay. So currently, are you looking for the job role or job change?
Yes, sir. I am looking for a job change, sir.
Okay. So is this your on-roll job, your current job, your off-roll?
No, sir. I am on roll currently. This is my
On-roll.
on roll job. Yes.
Okay. So how many? Actually, now I am searching for the candidate who has a rich experience, over 5 to 6 years of experience in vehicle integrations and solid modeling, 2D, 3D designing, and rich experience over on Creo software of any version, right? And
Uh-huh.
able to design sheet metal designing, vehicle integration, and vehicle designing, like vehicle assembly from beginning to the packaging stages, right?
Yes, sir.
So,
So I have been doing that for the past 3 years now, sir.
so actually, I have gone through your CV. So you have completed
Uh-huh.
your education in 2018, I think, MSc,
Yes, sir.
and
Yes, sir. My master's was done in 2018.
okay. So basically, you have been joined as a training engineer in Terra Spring in 2000, 2016 to 2017, right? Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Yes, sir.
So what are your roles and responsibility over here as a training engineer?
So I graduated in 2016 from my bachelor's, and I
Yeah,
freshly joined that corporation as a quality engineer trainee.
yeah.
So for first 2 months, I was doing a assembly line inspection for turned machine parts, turned and stamped parts. And after 2 months, I was also given a responsibility for research and development, development of new parts for that same machine, for same machining line. So I used to develop components, machine setup, tool setup, then get the first part done, do the quality inspection and send them for approval.
Yeah.
And then after a few months, I also started to test those parts on, on the test jigs and machines.
Mm.
And then in the later or the end days, I was developing a new type of component that machine used to make. It used to make a set of spindles and rollers. So I was designing and developing those spindles for a high-speed rotating machine. So that was my roles and responsibilities. So I did the machining, the part design, the machining of the component, then doing the testing, and then doing all the quality checks for that part. So
So
at the end, I left the company as a new product development engineer.
okay. So in your as a training engineer, then like when you have joined R&D, Migma Pactron as a
Yes.
research and development engineer. So your role over there like to tool designing parts, designing of the machines, right? So which kinds
Yes.
of machines over there?
So so I joined Sigma after doing my master's in automotive,
Yeah.
and Migma Pattern was developing or producing automotive interior parts like dashboards, fenders,
Okay.
bumpers, and entire interior of a vehicle. So my
Okay.
role there was to design their forming tools. They used to do it by a vacuum forming. So my role there was to develop parts, to convert the parts from sheet metal to ABS, from
Yeah.
FRP to ABS,
Okay.
help the team to design the tools required for that new part, then
Okay.
get those parts vacuum formed. So the company had a very old performing machine. So
Yeah.
it was kind of a manual machine, and they were building a new automatic machine for the same purpose. So I designed the automation system for that. The components that go into for converting a manual machine into automotive machine, like screw jacks, rollers, uh, ball screw rollers, clamps, hydraulic system required to do the manual, automate the manual work. So I
Okay.
took care of that as well.
Okay.
So apart from that, I also designed the tooling required for a automatic machine, like how a tool can be shifted from manual assembly to a automated assembly. You just have to keep the tool on the machine. The machine grabs itself, locates the holes, and attaches the vacuum line and stuff. So I designed that kind of sub assemblies for that machine. And also I was designing the component of the part itself. So I did a successful transformation for iShirt parts. So I converted their metal mudguards into a HDPE mudguards. Then I did the same for their dashboards. Earlier they used to have an FRV dashboard, which I converted into a ABS dashboard.
Yeah.
And mm, I did few designing of hat rack, the hat section of the AC ducting section for Electra buses. I also took that. So I set up the production line, the hinges development for that. That duct was used in two ways. Like it was also used for luggage and also for the AC, AC line and stuff. So to integrate those interior parts with that.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I,
That is.
no,
Yeah, that is fine. So basically, there is a your role over there in Yanmar Group. Like it deals in tractor manufacture, tractor diesel engine and off-road vehicles. So your role over there was from the beginning to the end, right? From scratch to the
yes.
end of the packaging. So all the assembly process of the vehicles, so that you can are you able to contribute yourself to design the operating area of the vehicles, right? Such as like from the bonnet designing, floor designing, and surface designing, that kind of role over there. Yeah. So is it okay to you?
Yes, sir. Sir, I would like to say that my hands on surface design a bit is not at par yet.
Okay.
I am very well versed towards in sheet metal design, solid modeling,
Okay.
casting parts, tubular structures, frames and stuff. I am still working on my surfacing. So
Yeah.
my surfacing is not that good, but
Yeah.
given the opportunity, I would definitely excel in that. So
Okay. Okay.
when I started designing, first I excelled on the simple solids. Then I did the tubular frames. Then I also did the sheet metal. Right now I'm working on sheet metal mostly. So my hand on sheet metal is quite good, and the solid as usual. I'm startly getting into the surface design. So my
Okay.
surfacing is not that, good, but I'm well versed with the other part, like
Mm.
how to start a part, how to know the what ideology goes behind designing a part, how to package a part, to do assemblies, how to do mechanisms in a vehicle.
Mm.
So yeah, I can take care of the other things. The only
Mm.
weak point I would say would be surfacing.
Not an issue.
Given
Not
time, it
there
needs
is not much
given.
role, but as per the confirmation, honestly, I'm asking to you. So because if you are able to that do and have good commands on over on 4 to 5 years of experience on CAD tool, so right,
Uh-huh,
and Creo 2.0 or
uh-huh,
3 point version of it will okay, and solid modeling. So basically, you will be
uh-huh.
able to like handling large assembly modules, right? So
Yes, definitely, definitely.
yeah, that is why. So may you tell me which which software are you currently using?
So currently, I'm using the Creo 7.4.
7.4. That is okay. And the other software? Any other?
Yes, I know my way around SolidWorks. I've used SolidWorks when I was in Meta, so I know
Okay.
SolidWorks.
Okay. So
Uh,
uh, do you have like in your like Wings EV as an automotive
uh,
engineer, your all over were the handling vehicle system development and integration, right? So for L7
yes, sir.
category of L7 category. So please may you elaborate once of the L7 category vehicles?
Yes, sir. So L7 category vehicles are it's a new category of vehicle.
Yeah.
So basically, they are four wheelers with a gross unladen vehicle weight or gross weight of 450 kilos. without
Yeah.
a battery pack. And
Okay.
so if a vehicle meets these two conditions majorly,
Mm.
they come under the L7 category, or otherwise known as quadricycle. It
Okay.
also has a minimum requirement for track width, that it should be at least 400 millimeters wide, and
Mm.
it should not exceed 1300 millimeters of wheelbase track
Okay.
width. So the track width
Okay.
should be between 400 to 1300 millimeters, and the
Okay.
vehicle weight without a EWS should be 450 kilos.
Okay. So it is like a kind of like a SUVs, we can say like a four-wheeler kinds of vehicles over there, right?
Uh, yes, it's a four-wheeler, but it's not necessarily maybe an SUV.
Yeah.
The similar vehicles you can see are Bajaj Qute. If you have heard of Bajaj Qute,
Yeah.
this category was recently introduced in 2018.
Yeah.
Since then, in Indian market, Bajaj has designed one by the name of Bajaj Qute.
Yeah.
Renault also has one vehicle of such category called as Renault Twizy. And then there are
Okay.
a few upcoming vehicles that might be launched in this coming or 1 or 2 years. Storm Motors. Then there's one designing in Pune called as Eva Motors. So they are coming up with these new vehicles now.
Okay. Okay. Noted. Got it. Basically, how long are you working from there? From September to 2020, right?
Yes,
Uh,
I have been working here for 3 years now.
three
More than
years
3 years.
now. So, may you tell me your total years of experience?
Total years is 5 years and 6 months.
Five
I
years.
started,
Yeah.
yeah, five
Five
years and
years.
6 months.
Five. Is there any gap?
Yes, so after I graduated, I was working for 11, 12 months in Migma at Terraspin, and
Yeah.
then I went on for my masters in 17 and 18. I was in my
Yeah.
masters for 1 year.
I can see as a when you have joined as a trainee after training engineer in 2017, you have directly joined in May to 2019. So is this the gap for your master degree? Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
so from July 2017 to December 2019, I was doing my masters. So I was
Okay.
in England for 1.5 years.
Yeah.
I was doing my masters there, and when I came back in December 2018, I
Yeah.
spent some time with my family for a couple of months, and then
Yeah.
I started working again.
Okay. Okay. That is
So,
fine.
so
Fine.
during that gap year also, I was working on another project for my university.
Yeah.
So technically it's not a gap year. I was still working on a project. I was designing a device, medical device.
Yeah.
So I submitted as my master's thesis as well.
Okay. Okay. That is fine. That is fine. So basically, may you tell me your current CTC?
It's 6.5 lakhs.
6.5 lakhs. That is fine. And your present location?
Indore, sir.
Indore.
Yeah.
And where is your
Uh,
origin? Maharashtra.
no, sir. I was born and brought up in Indore itself.
Born and brought
I've
up.
been living in Indore. Yeah.
And your designation over there?
Right now I am, sir, senior automotive engineer.
Okay, senior automotive. And the present company is Wings EV, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, that is fine. And
Uh,
how much salary are you expecting from our side?
sir, I'm at least expecting a 30% raise, sir.
Okay, 30% of. uh, That is fine. And do you have notice
And
period policy in your current organization?
yes, sir, it will be a month at least.
A month. Okay,
Yeah.
that is fine.
I'll
Let
have
me
to
check.
hand over. So it's a startup, so I'll have to hand over my work to someone.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, that is fine. One role, 1 month is okay. However, there are some candidates who have 3 months of notice period, and if it is negotiable, then it will be okay. But if it is not negotiable, then 3 months is a very large period of
Yes,
time. Yeah, no one company will wait till now to such. Yeah.
yes.
So present designation. Let me check once again. Is it your your email ID is Darle KARW @gmail.com? No?
Yes,
No.
tarlekaw@gmail.com.
Okay, 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 okay. MSc automotive.
Sir, I would like to pinpoint one thing.
Yeah,
Right now, CTC that I have is in hand as well.
yeah.
So I get the every component of this in hand. There are no deductions as of now because we are a very small company.
Okay, okay, not an issue, not an issue. I can understand. So basically, we give you hike up to like 30 to 40%, right? And if your skills are good for us, right? And
Mm-hmm.
it will be negotiable in your PI, so you can be assured that like, at the time of discussion with HR, so regarding your salary, so how much are you
Mm-hmm.
expecting, and for that location, what are your but as per the market now, we will give you only 30 to 40% suffice. So it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Definitely, sir. That is
yeah,
more than enough, sir.
yeah, yeah. That is fine. Okay, Vasishtha, I have saved your profile,
Okay.
and actually now, one thing I would to remark you, please
Mm-hmm.
update your resume to that is the gap year. For that gap year,
Mm-hmm.
so mention your gap, your master's degree and your like projects you have told us. What are your
Mm-hmm.
in which projects you are engaged that can at the time, so it will
Mm-hmm.
be good for you and good for us to doesn't show your gap, right? So
Okay, sir. Sir,
so
on
this
that
is
note, sir, I had mentioned my education at the very bottom of my resume. If you know how it
yeah,
looks
yeah,
like, yeah, that's
you
yeah.
have mentioned but mentioned and
Advertisement, sir. I think it should be in serial order or from the timeline period of
yeah,
perspective.
yeah, yeah,
Yes,
that
sir.
is
I've
fine.
got
So
your point. I'll
updating
definitely make
and
that change.
yeah, this is my WhatsApp number, and when you have updated it, I have update,
Uh-huh.
let me know on or share it on the same WhatsApp or itself, right? And
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This
yeah,
is my
I will
WhatsApp.
also share the JD to you on the same WhatsApp.
Definitely,
Yeah, and
definitely, sir.
if anything I will I need to ask, I will call you back. Okay.
Sure, sure, sure.
So or
So,
I will forward your profile to the company's HR directly, or he or she may will they approach you within 2 or 3 days. Or if anything I
okay,
need
sir.
to inform you, I will inform you. Yeah. Anything
Definitely.
you want to ask?
I just wanted to know about the company name once again, so I may prepare myself. I may have a
Yeah,
look around and
definitely,
prepare
definitely.
myself.
Actually, this is Yanmar Group is a Japanese MNC, right? And it has
Uh-huh.
two branches. There is one branch in Chennai also, and there is one plant located in Punjab, Hoshiarpur, and it is a
Okay.
on-roll job. Currently, I am hiring.
Mm-hmm.
It is, however, it is merged with Sonalika Tractors also, and
Okay.
but currently I am hiring for Yanmar Group, and Yanmar Group is a leading manufacturer of diesel engines, diesel powered equipment, and gas engines in India, right? And
Uh-huh.
it builds a sustainable future with Yanmar for your career growth also. And I have told they manufacture na like compact power products, agriculture kind of vehicles like such
Understood.
as JCBs and off-road vehicles, harvesting machines and diesel engines for tractors, right?
Understood.
So this is
Understood.
although I will share your do GD, and then you can
Mm-hmm.
see the roles and responsibility and do research as per your convenience. Right?
Definitely, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Anything else?
Okay. No, sir.
Okay,
Definitely.
okay.
I think
Thank
that
you.
should be it.
Thank you, sister.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, have a nice day.
You too, sir.